Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Russian Easy, and this is lesson number 3, and today so far we learned 12 Russian letters of alphabet, and today we will add 7 more. It will be B, 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 G, 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 D, D, Z, 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 I, Y, Y, and L, L. So some of them will be brand new to you. Let's start. First letter will be B, B. Sounds like B in a book, B, B. Sounds like in a book, B. And Russian example could be banan, 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 which mean banana, B. Repeat after me, B, B, banan. Next one will be G, G, G. And sounds like G in word go, G, go, G, go. Russian example could be город, word город, 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 which mean city. Next one will be D, D, D. Sounds like D in a dog, 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 D, dog. Russian example could be word dom, 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 which mean a house, D, dog, dom. Next one will be E, E, E. Sounds like E in the word see, E. And Russian example could be сыр and хлеб, сыр and хлеб, сыр. And a Russian example could be сыр и хлеб. It means cheese and bread. Cheese and bread. Сыр и хлеб. Сыр и хлеб. Cheese and bread. Next one is Y. Yeah, it's a short Y, like yeah, like in word boy, boy. Yeah, boy. And for example, Russian word my, which means May, the month, May, May, yeah, boy, boy. And next one will be L, short sounds like L in love, L and love. A Russian example could be lampa, word lampa, lampa, which mean lamp, lampa, L. About Z, sounds like Z in zebra, Z, zebra, And for example, Russian word zub, Z. Zub, which mean tooth, zub. So now let's repeat it. B, b, banan, g, g, город, d, d, дом, и, сыр и хлеб, сыр и хлеб, е, май, майя, е, л, лампа, л, з, зуб. Good work. Now let's practice some new simple words. Дом, D, O, M, dom, a house, dom. Zub, z, u, b, zub, which mean tooth. Next one will be banan, b, a, n, a, n, which mean banana. And the last one is lampa. L, a, m, p, a, lampa, which mean lamp. So today we learned 7 new letters: B, G, D, I, Y, L, Z. And now you already know half of the Russian alphabet. Congratulations and great work today. In lesson number 4 we will continue with the more letters, for example P, F, Ž, Č, Š, Š, E, and some of them will sound very new and a little tricky. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and follow to the playlist, and write in the comments which new letter from today's lesson was the easiest to you to pronounce. And спасибо, see you in lesson number 4. Bye bye, пока-пока.